Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face? How Netflix knows what show you'll watch next? Or how AI can even create human-like voices? Behind all of this lies one powerful idea: deep learning. But what exactly is deep learning? How does it work? And why is it called the backbone of artificial intelligence? Let's dive deep and understand how machines are becoming smarter every day. Deep learning is a special branch of artificial intelligence. It allows machines to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Unlike traditional AI that follows fixed rules, deep learning learns on its own, from massive amounts of data. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show hundreds of pictures. Soon, the child learns to recognize cats on their own. Deep learning works exactly like that, except the child is a computer. At the heart of deep learning lies the neural network. It's inspired by the human brain. Our brain has billions of neurons. A neural network has artificial neurons, arranged in layers. There's an input layer, hidden layers, and an output layer. Each layer processes information and passes it forward. The more layers there are, the deeper the learning becomes. That's why it's called deep learning. These networks learn from experience. Every time they make a mistake, they adjust internal values called weights. Slowly, they become more accurate and intelligent. Here's how it works, step by step. First, the system takes a huge amount of data, like thousands of images or audio samples. Each piece of data goes through the neural network. Different layers detect different features, colors, shapes, edges, and patterns. Finally, the model predicts an output. This is a cat. If it's wrong, it corrects itself. It keeps learning again and again, until it becomes super accurate, sometimes even better than humans. Deep learning became powerful because of two things: big data and powerful GPUs. We create massive amounts of data every second: photos, videos, text, social media, and more. Deep learning feeds on this data to learn. GPUs, graphics processing units, give deep learning the speed it needs. Without GPUs, training a model could take years. With them, it happens in hours or days. Deep learning is everywhere in your daily life. When YouTube recommends your next video. When Siri or Alexa understands your voice. When Google Maps predicts traffic. That's deep learning in action. It's in your camera filters, your bank's fraud detection, your email spam filter, and even hospitals, helping doctors detect diseases faster. Deep learning isn't the future, it's the present. Developers use frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras to build deep learning models. These tools make it easier to design, train, and deploy AI systems. From self-driving cars to voice assistants, from AI art to virtual avatars, it's all powered by deep learning. The real-world uses are mind-blowing. In healthcare, AI detects cancer early. In transportation, it powers self-driving cars. In entertainment, Netflix and Spotify personalize your experience. In robotics, it helps robots see and move. Even in art, tools like DALL-E and Runway ML create stunning visuals. But deep learning also has challenges. It needs huge amounts of data and powerful hardware. It takes time and energy to train. And often, it's a black box. We don't always know how it makes decisions. There are ethical concerns, data privacy, AI bias, and job loss. That's why researchers focus on responsible AI. The future of deep learning is incredible. AI won't just recognize or predict, It will imagine, create, and understand. With generative AI, machines can create realistic images, human-like videos, and even natural conversations. Soon, AI could become your digital companion, understanding your emotions, habits, and creativity. The possibilities are endless. In short, deep learning is the heart of artificial intelligence. It learns from data. It builds intelligence layer by layer. It powers everything, from voice assistants to self-driving cars. It's not magic. It's math, data, and computing power, working together like a human brain. Deep learning is shaping how we live, how we work, and how we connect with technology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ruby Parker, your go-to channel for education and technology. Hit the bell icon, and never miss the next deep dive into AI, machine learning, and the tech shaping our future. The future is learning, and it's learning deep.